Now, what do we have here? A little Diana Ankudinova. You know it's about to be fire. You know it's about to be fire. Another person that I just got familiar with while I've been doing reaction videos. I need to look in the comments. I haven't looked in the comments on this one to see where she's from. But anyway, I'm sure you guys will tell me and tell me again. I'll look for you guys. We're doing this together, man. We're just sitting in my studio hanging out. That's how I always feel when I'm doing these, guys. But she's 15 years old in this one, man, and let's get to it. I'm Krizz Kaliko, the only multi-gold and platinum selling rapper, singer, songwriter, producer, reacting to videos on YouTube. This is Krizz Kaliko Reacts. Let's go. Like, share, comment, and subscribe to one of the fastest growing channels on YouTube, man. Diana Ankudinova. I'm anxious to hear how she does one of the most unique voices. Right, off the bat. Hit the green light. You already know what it is. Yeah, that note right there. No, like, I don't know what it is. I don't know how to explain it any other way than like girth or warmth. It's not even just warmth though. It's like this thick sound. That's why I say girth. I know. Don't pause. Don't take your mind there. It's just a wideness, a warmth, a thick texture to her voice, man, that it reminds me of a note that I would hear Shakira hit. That particular one, not every single time she goes deep like this, but that particular one did, man. Let's keep going. What was that? What is that? Like she didn't want to hit the button or something. Everybody better hit them green lights. Y'all playing. Stop playing. She's amazing. Incredible. I was waiting for more. I thought it was like one of them times where, you know how she does the pause and then all of a sudden comes back with a epic ending or something. I didn't know that was the ending. Anyway, absolutely incredible, like always, dude. Her voice is one of the most unique voices I've heard since I've been reacting to videos. Of course, I'm getting to know all these artists and what they do as I've been reacting to them, as my girl Snow puts these videos into my queue. So she's got one of the most unique voices that I've ever heard. And we're going down their catalog, man, of these. So anyway, like, share, comment, man. Tell me what you think about it. Like, share, comment, and subscribe to one of the fastest growing channels on YouTube, Krizz Kaliko Reacts. I see y'all. Cali, baby. See you. Bye. Whose house? In your house.